Going to IKEA with father.
No, wait, guys. We're going to IKEA. Is that what we're doing? We're going to IKEA. We're just looking around.
Yeah.
Hey. Record random people. It's not a good idea. This is crazy, man.
My camera was upside down.
Oh, what?
Art, 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 art,
Because we have to write down what item is in which aisle, and that's how we pay.
That's sick. We're not buying nothing, are we?
Come on, here's a pencil. And I'll have a tape measure. It's like a measure stuff.
Yep.
Hold on.
What are you doing? Dad.
This sign is 28 inches long. That's a mask.
This is insane. Bro, this is insane.
It's actually a good idea. It's the wood that's expensive. Yeah.
I did.
It's 3. This is the same wood that they use in the so it bends.
I zoomed in too much. My name is Andrew Dingus.
That's where I put my belt.
Green.
Yeah, it's really thin wood that gets.
I think she's a fisher.
I found discoveries. No, right there.
Walking around IKEA, it's so tough. Whoa, guys, look at outside. See exit, alarm will sound. Care.
That one. That one's comfortable.
Oh, it's
That one. Ooh. Evil chair. Tray?
baby tray.
See the tray? Do the bag.
Okay, yes, that's it.